Hebrew for Beginners Conversational Hebrew ebook. This book will introduce you to everyday conversational Hebrew. So if you know basic Hebrew and want to take it to the next level, this book will help you to start speaking and understanding everyday conversations. This is a great tool for anyone who wants to learn Hebrew by themselves at their own pace without the help of a teacher. Modern Hebrew cannot be taught without hearing the correct pronunciation of words. This is why this book comes with audio files, and every word and conversation in the book is recorded. Also, every conversation will be written in Hebrew, plus the translation and the transliteration. In Israel, all the books, the newspapers, the street signs, and even the movie subtitles are all written without the vowel signs. And if you want to learn Hebrew just like a real native Israeli Hebrew speaker, you need to know how to read without the vowel signs. So in this book, we will rarely use the vowel signs, only when it is crucial and when there is no way to understand the correct pronunciation of a word without them. We used hundreds of common Hebrew words and built great everyday sentences and conversations with them. The structure of this book. Every part will feature several conversations. From chapter to chapter, the conversations will become longer and more complex. Every conversation will have the translation and the transliteration. After every conversation, you will have a little dictionary with the new words, explanations about important structures, topics, and more relevant words. Every conversation will be followed by exercises that will help you implement the things you just learned. Make sure to pronounce every word correctly. Don't forget to listen to the audio files. Progress slowly and try not skipping anything. We hope you will enjoy learning with this book and become a fluent Hebrew speaker over time.